How to reset Midea air conditioner. So, first, if you wanna reset your remote, then all you have to do, because the remote doesn't have the option to reset, there's no button for that. So it's basically just turning off the remote and turning it back on. So to turn off the remote fully, instead of just pressing the button, what you have to do is go to the back side over here of the actual remote, which is this over here. What you're going to do is take off this panel and go ahead and take out the batteries. Once you take out those batteries, you're gonna have to wait for like a few seconds. It's pretty quick, like 10 seconds or less. Actually, just go for 10 seconds. And before you put it in, make sure there's no more electricity or output. If you still see like this kinds of stuff when the battery is out, just go ahead and press some buttons like these over here to completely get rid of the electricity. So once the time has set, what you're going to do is just put in back the batteries to its slot and try turning on the remote. You should notice that it's pretty much reset. If you want to reset the actual air conditioner, then it's the same process, but basically unplugging the actual cord from the outlet, waiting for a few seconds, and just plugging it back in. But that's how you reset your Midea air conditioner. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.